The roar of the crowd, the thrill of the perfect pass, but is FC26 the next evolution you've been waiting for, or just a costly roster update? Today, we're diving deep into FC26 to dissect whether this installment is truly worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk gameplay. AI has touted significant improvements to player movement, and AI will be examining how these translate on the pitch. Are the dribbling mechanics smoother? Is the defensive AI more intelligent? Or are we seeing the same old patterns with a fresh coat of paint? We'll also be looking at the new gameplay features announced. Did they introduce game-changing mechanics? Or are they minor tweaks that won't drastically alter your experience? Expect detailed analysis of any new animations, passing adjustments, and shooting feedback. Beyond the immediate on-pitch action, Career Mode often provides the long-term draw. Has FC26 added meaningful depth to club management? Are there new features for scouting, player development, or even the boardroom that make managing your dream team more engaging? And of course, no FC review would be complete without discussing Ultimate Team. We'll assess the new mechanics, the impact of any changes to team building, and importantly, the overall fun factor without resorting to excessive spending. Is the grind still rewarding? Or has the monetization been ramped up? Considering the premium price tag of any new football simulation, the ultimate question remains, does FC26 offer enough compelling reasons to upgrade? We'll weigh the gameplay advancements, the new features, and the overall package against its cost to help you make an informed decision. Stick around as we break it all down.